My father still had a family that was left in Romania. And I do remember when I was young that they used to send all these packages of, clothes and things to the family members who were still in Romania. And those family members from what is now Chisinau, they lived in Chisinau, all came to the United States in the big Russian immigration to the United States in the 1980s. So then now I have this whole group of first cousins who came from Russia in the 1980s, and they in fact live in San Antonio, Texas, because we had lost contact with them after my father died. He died young in 1959. So we lost contact with them. They didn't know that we had all moved to the United States. So when they came, they couldn't contact us. So they were just assigned randomly by Hayas to San Antonio, Texas. And then after they were settling in then, there's an interesting story where they told, someone in their temple who was involved with them that, well, we had relatives in Canada. We haven't heard from them for a long time. Could you help us find them? And so this person knew someone in Winnipeg, this Noah Whitman, who was the editor of the Israelite Press and a real celebrity in Winnipeg. And so this person called Noah Whitman, and Noah Whitman said, oh, the Steinbergs, that was my maiden name. Yeah, sure, I know the Steinbergs. And they moved to the United States, but there's one sister who still lives here, and her name is Beatrice Spayman, and here you can reach her. And sure enough, they called my aunt, Beatrice Spayman, who was the only one still left in Winnipeg. And she, in turn, put them in touch with my mother, who put them in touch with the Steinberg, my Steinberg, father's side of the family, the Steinbergs. And that's how we got back in touch with them. And we'd seen them and were in touch with them, and they're doing great in San Antonio, Texas. As part of my genealogy interest, I have interviewed them and talked to them about their life in Chisinau, and it's very interesting, especially during World War II when they were left there. And they told me that my father's sister and her family, of whom the daughters are in San Antonio, that they actually escaped to Siberia during the war, and that's how they were saved.